Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to start an LLC in Texas. So to begin, open up your browser and go to Texas Secretary of State website. So this is where you can find the business filing forms for Texas. So once you're on the business and nonprofit forms page, look for Form 205, which is called Certificate of Formation for a Limited Liability Company. So this is the form used to create an LLC in Texas. Open the form and start filling it out. You will need to enter the LLC name, the registered agent information, the registered office address, how the LLC will be managed, and the purpose of the business. And make sure all the details are correct before you file it. So the filing fee for this form is $300. So review everything carefully before submitting. After the form is accepted, your LLC is officially created in Texas. And from there, you may also need to get an EIN, open a business bank account, and check if your business needs any permits or licenses. And that is how you can start an LLC in Texas. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.